What if I told you that some of the biggest changes to the stadium are happening right now? With construction moving faster than ever, new milestones are appearing almost every day. And today's walkthrough captures some of the most important progress we've seen in recent weeks. From major structural advancements to key finishing work, there's plenty to cover. So let's take a full tour around the stadium and see everything that's changed since the last update. The upper bowl continue to show visible progress as more of the seating structure and surrounding framework gradually come together. With each passing update, the upper level is looking increasingly complete, and the overall shape of the stadium is becoming much more defined. Work is steadily advancing across this section, bringing the project closer to the stage where attention can shift from the main structural framework toward the remaining architectural and finishing elements. Attention then shifts to the second cantilever, where preparations continue for the next construction phase. Large stacks of concrete blocks are now positioned across the area, while vertical reinforcing steel bars have appeared, indicating that new concrete walls are likely to be built soon. Elevated work platforms remain active as crews inspect and adjust structural steel connections, carefully checking bolts and carrying out finishing work along the main beams. Further along the side stand, construction activity remains strong. Additional lifting platforms are operating across several sections while workers continue structural installations throughout the cantilever. Large quantities of construction blocks are still stored nearby, ready for upcoming work, showing that this area is being prepared for the next major stage of development. The first cantilever is relatively quieter compared to the upper levels, although several important tasks are still underway. A tower crane was seen lifting new construction materials into the structure, while workers continue installing sandwich panels on the roof edge. Several panels are already in place, although a few gaps remain before this section is fully completed. One of today's most noticeable developments is the return of the louver installation in the south goal section. Crews have started installing the missing louvers that were previously left out to allow work around the hydraulic piston. These remaining panels are now being fitted into position, gradually closing the final gap and bringing this section closer to completion. Nearby, workers also continue inspecting support brackets and anchor points to ensure everything is properly aligned before the remaining louvers are installed. At the south corner, crews continue inspecting the recently installed louvers. Workers are tightening connections and checking that every panel is securely fixed and perfectly aligned. These final quality control inspections ensure the installation meets all structural and finishing requirements before the team moves to the next section. Activity continues around the mobility cores, where multiple elevated platforms remain in operation. Workers are applying a protective coating to exposed steel beams, while other crews perform additional maintenance and finishing work around the surrounding structural elements. Although some areas are partially hidden from view, steady progress is clearly visible throughout the section. An important update explains why the protective safety nets have been moving forward each day beneath the cantilevers. The nets are being repositioned as crews install utility pipes underneath the structure. Since these installations are taking place above ground level, the safety nets provide additional protection during the work. This precaution was not required beneath the first cantilever because those pipe installations were carried out at street level. Work also continues around the sandwich panel installation. Elevated platforms remain active near the roof edge as crews complete finishing work around the installed panels. While no additional panels have been added to the left-hand section yet, the previously installed panels on the right remain securely in place as preparations continue for the remaining installations. Workers are also inspecting the surrounding connections to ensure the next panels can be installed without delays. The compression ring has now advanced significantly into the north goal section. From this viewpoint, the speed of construction is especially noticeable, with new steel boxes being installed almost daily. The latest section already appears fully bolted together, while crews continue preparing the next structural elements as the ring steadily approaches the tribune area. Each newly installed segment brings the entire roof structure one step closer to completion. An important milestone is approaching for the north goal tower crane. The crane now has enough reach for only one more compression ring segment, including one final pillar, one radial beam, and another steel box. Once this last section is installed, the crane's role in the north goal area will be complete, and the Tribune tower crane will take over the remaining compression ring assembly. This marks a significant transition as construction activity gradually shifts toward the Tribune side. Preparations continue for the next stage of louver installation in the north stand. Workers are carefully inspecting anchor points and tightening structural connections to ensure every support is correctly aligned. Most of the louvers have already been installed in the adjacent sections, while the remaining supports are now being prepared for the final installation phase. These final inspections will help ensure a smooth and efficient installation process. Construction is also progressing inside the stadium, although much of the work is hidden from outside view. Equipment and materials remain positioned throughout the area, while crews continue carrying out structural and finishing work behind the visible sections of the stand. Even without clear visibility, the constant movement indicates that multiple operations are taking place simultaneously. Near the north corner, elevated platforms remain active as workers continue structural maintenance around the cantilever. Grinding, finishing, and inspection work is taking place on several concrete and steel elements. Although activity is lighter than the previous day, crews continue making steady progress across the area. These finishing tasks are essential before the next construction phase can begin. The Tribune section remains busy with finishing operations. Multiple elevated platforms are working simultaneously as crews apply protective coatings and paint to the steel beams. Other workers are sealing structural joints with protective materials, ensuring every connection is properly finished before the next construction phase begins. Similar finishing work is also continuing across several nearby structural sections. Materials for the next stage of the compression ring have already been delivered to the Tribune area. Steel pillars, temporary support frames, and other structural components are organized and waiting for installation. With the north goal crane nearing the end of its work, this section is fully prepared to become the next major construction zone. Another important update is the return of the louver support brackets in the Tribune corner. These supports had previously been removed to allow other construction work to take place. Crews have now begun reinstalling them in their original positions, indicating that louver installation will soon continue in this section. This is another clear sign that facade work is steadily moving toward its next stage. Across the Tribune, most areas remain stable while smaller finishing tasks continue. The mobility cores show little visible change, and work on one of the diamond structures is still progressing at a slower pace. However, with the compression ring rapidly approaching this side of the stadium, construction activity is expected to increase significantly in the coming days. Overall, another productive day has brought visible progress across nearly every major section of the stadium. The compression ring continues to dominate the project with remarkable speed. Finishing operations remain active throughout the cantilevers, and preparations are well underway for the next major phase in the Tribune. Each visit reveals new milestones, bringing the stadium one step closer to completion.